Welcome again to the Real Deal of Real Estate. This is Miss Abby and we're here at Mall of Asia, Shore 3 Residences for another turnover day. Let's go! Hi, Ma'am Lily! Ma'am, Miss Abby's here. Kamusta po?
Hi,
Si Rob po is one of my agent. And hi po! Hi, Doc. Alright, ma'am, this is my team. No? So, kailan kayo, ma'am, nakapunta ng Philippines? 2 days ago?
When was this? No, last week, but I went straight to Iloilo.
Ilongga po kayo?
Yes,
Oh, okay, parehas po.
the Arbis is
From Iloilo also.
and Wanasa.
Correct. From Haro.
I was looking, I'm from Oton.
So
Yes.
in the city also.
Pretty close.
So
Actually, my husband surprised me with this.
Really? No, that's
I never knew about this, no.
Wow, grabe si Sir Jerry. Sana all ganun. This is the key. Pero ang galing po ni Sir Jerry, ma'am. Kasi this really for business purposes. Tama, ma'am? Is that the
Yes,
reason?
yes.
Kasi you're always out of the country.
Yes.
eh.
Yes.
Alright. Sige po, ma'am. Pasok po. Ayan. So, ang bigger yung size niya, ma'am.
Oh,
Compared to other unit. No, tapos you have... Sige, ma'am. Pasok po tayo, Doc.
Sige. I like the window on this.
Yeah, maganda.
I like the window and then the window. Wow.
Kung makikita niyo po, ma'am, this one po is mall, halos lahat yung ini-establish. In front na kasi siya
I
ng
see.
road. So,
Yeah.
we can expect here na hindi siya ganun kataas. The good thing about this unit, you have a window in your bedroom. Then you have your window in your living area.
Right.
Then this one is
And another
open.
window.
Yeah.
Also.
Opo, ma'am. So, this one po, ma'am, since there's a provision for aircon, we can have like yung multi-aircon na siya na isa lang yung condenser. So,
Okay.
ganun
Yeah.
yung area.
That's good.
And I will assess you for that din po.
Yes.
Na furnishing.
Sige pa ng mga units, merong ganito.
Hindi, ma'am.
Hindi.
Eto lang, tayo lang. Si Sir Jerry talaga yung pumili nito. For him talaga gusto niya yung mga bigger.
Yes.
Tapos yung ventilation ng air.
Yes.
May kita niyo kung hindi ganun kainit.
Gusto ko yung ventilation, oo.
Opo,
Hindi ganun
it even
ka-
ngayon
hindi
is
ganun
what-
kainit.
3 o'clock pero still
Yeah.
hindi ganun kainit.
Yeah. I like it. I like it.
Tsaka yung size.
Tsaka yung size niya, maganda.
Exactly.
Yeah. But I like this. I like this. Yung airflow. Ganda ng airflow.
Yung,
I like it.
yung maaliwalas na
Oo.
lively. Tapos kung makikita niya, ma'am, hindi siya ganun kainit, even tanghali, no? Kasi nandito yung, yung lilim, di ba, ma'am? Pero yung dun sa area sa kabila, since dun po is sunset, ito sunrise. So, dun yung sunset. So, kaya yung dito sa area natin, hindi talaga mainit.
So, ibig sabihin, this is facing east.
Correct.
I love
Galing
facing
ni
east.
Sir Girl.
Yes. Gusto ko facing east. So, what kind of bed can fit this?
Yung sa G product ko, yung interior namin na parter, hanggang queen size bed kaya.
Queen.
Mm.
Depende sa layout. Pero pwede ng cabinet.
With
Closet.
cabinet pa. Opo.
Closet.
Kaya nga mamaya, ma'am, papakita ko sa inyo. Ganito rin kalaki na interior namin. Para you can see kung paano.
Yeah. Ano siya, single pane lang to? Or double?
I think double to, ma'am. Tempered talaga yung glass.
Ay, oo nga.
Kaya,
Makapal. Hello, neighbor.
what's your ulam?
Mait siya naman.
Wala kamatis. Kamatis.
Yes po, Doc.
Pwede natin ilipat sa mga sockets kung nag-work.
Pwede po.
Kaya ito.
O, meron pala dito.
Tara, Rob. Check natin.
Yeah.
Working. Okay, next. Off mo na.
And then this one works. Hello? Hello? Hello, check ko lang yung unit namin if this intercom works. Okay, thank you. Thanks. Bye. Yeah.
Ngayon po, ma'am, kasi since we have
Meron
punch list. Opo, so they will delete po ulit.
Bago muna.
Opo, kailangan po muna ulit tapusin yung mga
Mm,
punch
mm, mm.
listing.
So, I won't be able to get the key.
Correct po, ma'am.
I think okay naman. Yeah, the floor. Pwede din pareho pa din yung
Same naman
Ano?
po ng materials pa rin.
same.
Opo, ang ibahin lang talaga to for replacement since
To noticeable talaga. Parang hindi bago.
Tagal na, no?
Parang hindi bago.
yun lang talaga, siguro we will expect again
Another turnover.
Opo. We can discuss na po, ma'am, para once na already done na, discuss natin yung sa furnishing at saka Airbnb business process.
Yes, we can do that. My husband is actually talking to his classmate about the furnishing.
Okay, so may have your own, ano na po,
but-
okay,
But
it's
we
okay.
can explore whatever you can offer. Yeah. Oh,
Sige po.
I like it. Oh, yeah.
Sige, ma'am,
Yeah,
pasok po.
ganitong Abby, ganitong feel.
Yes, pero
I
nakikita
like
niyo,
the
ma'am, mas
feel,
maliit
Abby.
siya sa, yung sa inyo malaki.
Ikaw ba?
Opo, J
Ikaw
Project
yung
po
gumawa
ito.
nito?
Yung, brother ko yun, ma'am, nag-interior po. So, ito package.
Ganda.
Tapos isang araw lang.
Ang ganda ng layout and use of space. Good job.
Same day interior lang yan, one day lang ginagawa nila.
Ganda.
Pero I'll just give you this para kay Sir Jerry din. Pero sabi nyo nga, meron na kayong may classmate si Sir Jerry. Wala naman po, kung okay kayo doon, okay din sa akin.
But hindi pa
So,
naman
wala
kami
pa daw.
nag-commit doon. If you
Mm-mm.
can give us a good price, then na-competitive din naman, pwede. J Project is your
Brother,
company?
brother ko po yung pinaka...
See, we were looking.
Sige po.
Nandyan ka lang naman. Ano
Sir
ba
Jer,
yan?
Isang chat mo lang ako.
We didn't know.
Punta tayo, ma'am, dun sa kabel
Sige.
unit para makita nyo pa ng isa.
Sige.
Thank you.
Oh,
Sige,
wow.
pasok ka din. Ano mo muna? Open mo
Ay,
muna
ganda, Tim. Look, ganito ba ka-wide yun?
Ganito.
Ganito ba ang wide nun?
Oh, ganito, ma'am. Ayan, tingnan mo.
So, how much is the furnishing for this?
Dito, ma'am, umabot to ng mga 550. Kasi mas bigger yung size niya. Per square meter kasi tayo.
Ang ganda. Ay, okay. So, parang bar. I love your design. Sabihin mo sa brother mo. Parang ganun din yung gusto ko. Sa ngayon, ilan ang Ilan ang
Units.
units?
108.
Wow! Grabe, yaman nito.
It's really not really for profitability, ma'am. Kasi syempre nasa sales ako. Yun talaga yung bread and butter. It's really, passion na hindi mo papabayaan yung client mo, yung pinramis mo.
Ah.
Universe naman.
Oy! Yeah.
Profit
Rap,
pa
alam mo
din.
na, yung...
Profit pa
Pero
din.
totoo,
Profit
ma'am.
pa din naman. Siyempre,
Pero yung sales
you
talaga
make
is
it
the...
worth for your client.
Yes, opo.
But profit pa rin. Kahit papaano ha.
Oo naman po,
Ano ba
hindi
to?
naman tayo magtatrabaho ng libre,
Oo.
ma'am. And
Exactly.
there's a lot of
Yes.
expenses kasi may labor, everything,
Yeah,
diba? Sobrang
And you have people under you.
correct, ma'am. Pero anong feel niyo na today dapat yung ating turnover and ma-accept na natin din eventually it's not
Yeah.
happening?
Well, siguro may reason talaga.
Yeah.
Bakit? May reason talaga. As much as dalawang ano lang yan. It's either you'll be disappointed or you'll just accept it.
Correct.
Kung disappointed ako, there's nothing I
May
can do.
magagawa.
There's nothing I can
Kaya
do.
sa-
So, I can't do anything. I can't accept it. May
Correct,
magagawa ako na hindi ko talaga siya i-accept.
It's
And
not
then
our
they can do
control.
something about it.
So, yun na lang, ma'am. Ayun na
Oo.
nga po yung mapapromise ko. Pupush ko to, ma'am. Sabi ko nga, ilalaban kung parang akin to eh.
Oh.
Sabi ko nung sinabi ni Sir Jerry, sino yung pwede mag-assist sa wife ko? Sabi ko, ako po! Sabi ko,
Salamat ha, Miss Abby. Thank
no
you.
problem na ako, ma'am. Thank you rin, ma'am, sa
Thank you
pagpapaunlak
din.
sa camera natin ngayon. Sobrang
Ganun talaga.
like your hair, I like
Thank
it.
you.
Ma'am, ano mapapayo mo sa same as your journey, like in real estate? Ano po yung mapapayo nyo sa, like, nasa abroad, want to have this kind of business too?
As far as I know, like I didn't know that I'm gonna acquire a condominium here in,
Yeah.
in the Philippines.
It's-
You really need to have like a relationship with your agent. You have to trust your agent.
Ma'am, congratulations po again.
Congratulations
Nakita yung
din.
property mo. Pero
Oo.
like I said, yun na lang, Doc. Papa-expedite na lang natin. Alright, we're done with our turnover with Miss Lily and sa kapatid ni Sir Jerry na si Doktora. Napakaganda nung aming conversation kanina. Sobrang love na love nila yung projects and sobrang excited sila. Pero same as last before, hindi rin nila tinanggap yung unit. There's a punch listing and I do understand yung client natin. Of course, it's a million of peso. If may need silang ipa-upgrade or hindi sila satisfied, it's really good to punch list. And the good thing about our developer, open naman sa punch list kung may mga need i-upgrade upgrade or mga need palitan or replacement, pwede yun bago nila i-accept yung unit. Nag-visit din tayo sa mga units natin with J Project and J Project Property Management. Pinakita natin yung mga units na na-upgrade na natin and they are very amazed. Sobrang ganda ng interior, color combination, and of course, napawaw sila sa design. Good job for our J Project headed by Mr. Ives, my brother. And then, today, natapos na tayo, we will wait again for another extension or target completion ng ating engineering kung kailan nila matatapos ang punch list ng ating client. And sobrang excited, si Ma'am Lily na maparent yung unit nila in a daily basis, So, thank you again for joining us for this day with Adjaid, the real good guys. Hindi lang kayo nag-invest sa property, you invested in your future lifestyle and worry-free business opportunity.